Yes. Hi guys, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yeah, so thank you. So let us start session. Yeah, so let us start session. So yesterday, yesterday's session, all introductions discussed. Yes, today new members, for them just I'm repeating topic just for 5 minutes. That yesterday session just for 5 minutes. Yes, I'm repeating here. So yesterday, about myself, introduction given, about your course information, and about course content. Then prerequisite to learn this course, Java opportunities in Java. So these things explained yesterday. Yes, yesterday nothing. All are introductions only. Because subjects not started yet. So yesterday, just all introductions. So first of all about myself. Yeah, this is Nageswar Rao, popularly calling as MN Rao. Yes, it's a popular name for the Java training. Nageswar Rao. Popular name for Java training. Yes, having 20 plus years of experience, 20 plus years of experience. Here, my area of experience, Java full stack developer, yes, big data Hadoop, so Python, next Linux, databases, UI technologies. So this is my area of experience. Okay, in my whole career, 16 projects completed, 12 projects on Java, 4 projects on big data Hadoop. Yes, now currently 17th project going on. Currently 17th projects. It's e-commerce projects. E-commerce projects. Current working company, Silatech Private Limited. So this is my current working company. Yes, my role, principal Java full stack developer. Yes, in this company, my designation, principal Java full stack developer. Yes, Monday and Tuesday, yes, working at office. So Wednesday to Friday, work from home. Okay. So this is my working time. Okay. Yes. So that's all about my work. And then here, not only development, training also very good experience. Development as well as training experience. So training. So I'm taking online classes for Durgasoft. Yes, since I think 6 to 7 years. Okay, more than 7 years. I'm taking online classes for Durgasoft. Okay. Yes, good experience. Training also. Okay, not only development, training also. Very good experience. Lot of experience in development as well as training. That's all about myself. See, my way of teaching is like a spoon feeding. Everyone can understand it. Okay, everyone can understand easily. Even non-IT background guys also can understand it. Yes, about your course information. Yes, this course, Java full stack. Yes, JFS, Java full stack developer. So Java full stack developer means there are 3 roles in Java full stack developer. Yes, front-end developer. So front-end developer. So front-end developer. Next, back-end, back-end. So back-end application developer, back-end application developer, and third one, yes, back-end database developer. So there are three roles: back-end database developer, right? So actually, previously it was three roles, right? But all three roles together is a Java full stack. All three roles is a Java full stack developer. Okay, fine. Okay, yes. So here all three roles: front-end developer role, back-end developer is application developer role, database developer role. Yes, all three roles is a full stack development. One second, let me show that. Yeah, DSA covering. Yes, sir. DSA collections and DSA, including that DSA. So at the end, A introduction also give it. Okay. Yes, at the end of the course, AI. Okay, integration, Java integration with AI. Yes, finally, final topic, Java integration with AI. After finishing frameworks, yes, Java integration with AI, that also will be covered. Okay, fine. See, web application architecture. So this is here is a front end. So front end developer, back end, application developer, database developer. So who are involving all three areas is a Java full stack developer. That's it. Okay. Yes, front end developer. Next, back-end developer, application or database. So front-end developer, these are the topics we're going to discuss. Front-end developer. So these are the topics. EA development. Yes, when come to back-end. So these all are Java modules. Java modules like core Java, advanced Java, frameworks. Yes, Spring and Spring Boot, microservices, these things here. Yes. So in advanced Java, yes, advanced Java, yes, two projects. In frameworks, 2 plus 2. For total 6 projects will be covered. Yes, in Java modules, total 6 projects explaining here. Next tools, Eclipse, Maven, JUnit, Log4j, STS. It's a framework development environment. So this is Java. So they are Java modules. And then, so backend database, Oracle database. Here is a Oracle database. In backend Oracle database. So Oracle database, SQL, PLC. So this is complete your syllabus. Okay, so EA, front-end development. So these are things like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Ajax, Bootstrap, and all these EA parts, front-end. So front-end, this front-end part. In backends, Java application and databases. Java and databases. Okay, yes. So Java. So these are Java modules and then database. Okay, right. So that's all about this. Okay, just just repeating, little bit repeating. Of course, yesterday very clearly, slowly, neatly explained. Just repeating. Okay, fine. So this is Java full stack. Yes, duration of 55 months. 5 months time. 7 to 8:30 p.m. Yes, Monday to Saturday classes. Only Sunday holiday. So Monday to Saturday classes. 3 demo classes free of cost. No issue. 3 or 4 classes you can take. I'm not a commercial. Take your own time. Yes, here. So daily classes recordings will be sharing to your Gmail ID. Daily recordings, right? Daily class document with coding examples here, coding interview questions and coding skills related programs. Next, main focus on logic building coding skills. So first, initially in core Java, main part this is logic building coding skills. Okay, right? Yes. Suppose anyone wanted to attend parallelly, you can attend databases classes, CA classes. You can attend parallel. database EA class, so that you can finish within 4 months only. Yes, if you're attending database and EA classes parallelly, you can finish within 4 months only. If you have the if you have the free time, you can attend these also parallelly with Java. Parallelly with Java, database classes and EA classes. So when database classes started, yes, that will be informed. Okay, we'll inform, definitely. So when database classes starts, we'll inform you. EA classes starts, we'll inform you. So regularly informing you. Okay. So updations. So day-to-day updations getting you. Okay. So whenever database starts here, we'll inform you. EA classes starts, we'll inform you. That's it. Or else in class itself, I'll inform you. Okay. In class itself, whenever database starts, I'll inform that day. EA classes, I'll inform. Okay. Yes. Yes. Now this course starting with core Java. This course I'll be starting with core Java. After finishing core Java, anyone wanted to continue for full stack, you can continue. Okay. Anyone wanted to continue for full stack, you can continue here. So initially starting with core Java. So I'll be starting with core Java. Yes, core Java duration 60 to 65 days. Max 65 days, not more than that. Yes, commitment is commitment. At any cost, within 60 days, I'll finish your batch. Okay. So never giving holidays, only Sunday holiday, so that I can finish at any cost within 65 days. Committed time, no doubt. Yes, next 7 to 8:30. Okay, 75 to 90 minutes class. So Monday to Saturday. Okay, daily recordings. Next, daily class document, coding examples, daily assignments, interview questions, coding related programs. See, first 30 days main focus on coding skills. 100 plus programs I'll explain. In coding, I'll make you practice on 100 plus programs. Getting practice on 100 plus programs. Okay, your core Java content. First, initially starting with software basics. See, before going to Java, there are some software basics. After finishing, starting Java basics, Java data types, operators, control statements, if statement, loops, and all this here. So here, going to discuss 100 plus programs. Yes, for building logics and coding, improving our coding skills. To improve our coding skills on logic building, for this purpose, 100 plus programs I'll make you practice. Okay. Yes. Next, after the arrays. In arrays, getting DSA, data structures and algorithms. Okay. DSA. Okay. Data structures and algorithms, arrays. Here, like searching techniques, sorting techniques, different kind of algorithms. Say around 30 programs for the coding. Yes, in arrays itself. Yes, DSA part. Yes, around 30 programs. DSA. In arrays related DSA covering data structures, algorithms. Next, apart from this, MC, multiple choice questions, interview questions, those things. Next, hoops concepts, all these hoops concepts. Strings, exceptional collections. In collections also, yes, here also covering DSA. The DSA part covering in arrays as well as collections. In collections, like list, linked list. Okay, yes, next. So stacks, vector, stack, queues, and next map, hash table, those things. Next, trees, tree set, hash tree. So these things, right? Next, comparable, those things. Okay. Yes, collections. Main focus on collections here. Collections and DSA. Very in depth, I'll explain these topics. Okay. Next, iOS teams is a file handling. Next, multi-threading. Next, networking. Finally, Java 8 features. Finally, focus on Java 8 features. Okay. Yes. Next, Java 11, Java 17. Okay. Yes. Here I'll be using Java 17 in class itself. Yes. I'll explain Java 17. I'm using Java 17. Yes. In our office also, we are using same Java 17. So this is about our core Java syllabus. Yes. About core Java. Right. See, after finishing, yes, in core Java. So what are things here? Main focus on coding skills. Yes, excellent documentation will be given. Yes, interview questions, topic wise, 300 plus programs for yes, learning your coding skills and as practice purpose. Java 8 features. Yes, anyone wanted to learn only core Java? Yes, 3,000 rupees. Yes, full stack Java, it's a 15,000. Yes, after core Java, yes, what is next? What next after core Java? Yes, you can choose Java full stack. Yes, nowadays there are many openings on Java full stack. I'll recommend this one here, Java full stack. So this is yes. First of all, learn core Java. Yes, if you good at core Java, yes, I'll make you perfect in core Java. I'll make you perfect in core Java. After finishing core Java, then you can move to Java full stack. Okay. Otherwise, if not Java full stack, yes, you can go to testing Selenium. For testing Selenium, core Java requires. Next, Hadoop and Big Data also core Java requires. For Salesforce, core Java requires. ServiceNow ticketing tool, core Java required. Android mobile application development, here also core Java required. Next, SAP tools, core Java related tools available. So there also core Java required. Next, in Oracle ERP, there is EBIS tool, enterprise business tool. Here also core Java related tool. Yes, next, AI also core Java based. Yes, in our syllabus, at the end of the course, Java integration with AI, that will be covered. Finally, final topic. Yes, at the end of the course with Java full stack. So for them, AI integrated. Okay, correct. Next, with core Java, you can work on Oracle Application Framework, OAF, Oracle Application Framework, ADF, these things. Yes, next EEM from Adobe. So like this, there are many Java-based tools. More than 20 tools available in market. Java-based tools. Okay. With the core Java knowledge, you can work on all Java-based tools. Okay. Yes, even coding is very less. If you good at core Java, you can work on many tools in the market. There are many tools available in the market. Okay. So core Java based. Yes, many companies are asking yes Java, yes core Java skills for this kind of tools here. Otherwise, you can opt for Java full stack. Yes, Java full stack. So Java full stack, there's a lot of openings here. Yes, nowadays companies are yes looking for the full stack Java developers. Full stack developers. There are many openings are there full stack Java developers. Yes, if you good at coding, if you good at coding, definitely getting job. Definitely getting job, no doubts. Okay. Yes, you guys try to understand classes very clearly. Try to work on it. Okay, please try to respond in the class here. So even I can refer. Yes, in my network. Yes, I can give the reference. Yes, I can give the, yeah, these are some my assurance. I can give reference in my, yes, network. Reference in my network. Yes, I have a lot of network. Okay. Yes, I work with many clients, many companies. Okay. Yes, I can refer you. If you good at coding and all this. Yes, you must be good at coding and every day you have to attend here. Okay. You have to respond in the class. So based on your response and your coding skills and all that, I can refer your resume. Okay. So some companies are asking freshers. Okay. I can refer you. Okay. Yes. I can give reference. Yes. I can give you reference here. So definitely, yes, in my network, I can give the reference in my network. Okay, so that's all about this. Okay. Yes, you guys, suppose if anyone wanted only core Java, you can attend core Java. Just anyone full stack, you can continue for full stack. Right? Yes, if it is core Java, only 3,000 rupees fee. One second. Yeah, core Java fee, this is next full stack Java, 15,000. Yeah, that's all. So these topics yesterday we have discussed. Okay, these topics. There are many openings in Java. There are many openings. Okay. Yes, next prerequisites, nothing required. I'm not expecting anything from you guys. Yes, I'll be starting from the basics. So without IT background also you can understand these classes. IT background is not necessary. Maybe somebody is having some doubt, Without C background, can I learn Java? Yes, you can learn. At the beginning classes, the programming covering first 30 days coding skills, right? So that you can easy. So I'm not expecting anything from guys. Just only knowledge of Windows OS. Windows knowledge, like what is D drive. Yes, next what is folders, folders, how to create files. Enough. Folder file, this knowledge enough. Yes, not more than that. Yes, that's all. So that's all about yesterday's session. Okay. Yeah, this yesterday's session, I'll share with you this one, day one session. Today, day two. Yes, let us start day two session. Yes. So DT. Yes, day two session here. Second day. Yes, today. Yes, about Java. Yes, it's a Java overview. Today covering completely Java overview, not actual Java subject, not actual Java subject, just only Java overview. Like first one, yes, what is Java? So what is Java? And next about Java history. Yes, Java history. So what is Java? Content Java history. Yes, next, why Java has, yes, this much of popularity. Yes, why Java has this much of popularity. Right? Yes, next. So what is present position of Java or present situation of Java in the market? Java in the market. Right? Yes, next. What is feature of Java? Yes, these are the topics we will discuss. See, so what is exactly Java? Yes, history from beginning to today. Yes, what was happening in Java? Next year, why Java has this much of popularity? There's a lot of popularity in the market, right? See, most of the software employees, we can see Java-based employees. Most of employees. Everyone talking about Java only, almost in the market. So Java is a leading technology in the market. So why? Here always openings, evergreen field Java. Why? What's the reason here? So why Java has this much of popularity? Right? Next, what is present question? Suppose maybe some doubt. Suppose learning Java with lot of efforts, learn Java and having good skills and all of these things. So can I get this job or not? What is job marketing presently? Yes, about job markets, I'll explain very clearly. Right? Yes, next, what is feature of Java? Yes, see, so with a lot of hard work, learn Java with lot of efforts, learn Java of learning Java. Yes, got the job also. Okay. Yes, after getting job, yes, can I serve for at least 10 years? Long lasting career. See, when you choosing field, there should be long lasting career, right? See, some technologies may be coming and going. Just only 1 year coming and going. Every year updating technology is not easy. Every year updating is not easy. Okay, at least 10 years. Once choosing any technology, minimum 10 to 15 years. Suppose the technology 15 years, fine, well and good. Just updating versions, fine. But completely changing technology is not easy here. Completely changing technology is not easy. Okay, so what is feature? Yes, I'll explain this also. Okay, right? Yeah. So Java is a evergreen field. See, more than 20 years I'm working on Java. Java, one generation completed. Yes, my generation almost completed on Java. Your generation has to work on it. Yes, no technology survived for this much of time. This certain, yes. So this much of time. So more than 25 years Java in the market. No technology, this much of period in the market. That is Java, right? Okay, fine. So first of all, let us start. What is Java? First question, what is Java? So what is Java? 1 second. Video, just stop my video. Okay, fine. So what is Java? Yes, anyone? So what is your idea about Java? Anyone, can you answer this question? Yes. Maybe you something about Java, right? Maybe some idea about Java. Anyone?
Yeah, it's a Java is a programming language.
Yeah, Java is a programming language. Good. Next, anyone?
Java is a high-level programming.
Yeah, high level language. Java is a programming language, high level programming language. Next, like this, different students may be having different opinions on Java. Next,
Java is not a fully object-oriented language
okay. So
because
Java
we have,
is a object oriented, not a fully object oriented. Okay.
yes, because we have static uh, static and wrapper class. Sorry, primitive data type and wrapper
Yeah,
class.
into data sets. Yeah, the fully object oriented, purely object oriented. That means you're saying purely object oriented. Java is not a purely object oriented. Okay. Python is a purely object oriented. Java is not a purely object oriented. Okay, fine. Next, any other answers? Okay, let me explain. So what is exactly Java? Simple answer. So what is Java means? Simple answer. So Java is an object-oriented programming language. OOP language. Java is OOP language. Simple answer. Java is a OOP language. See, when you're facing any interviews, your first question, maybe asking what is Java. Simple answer, direct answer. So Java is OOP language. Yes, what is OOP? OOP stands for object-oriented programming. Yes, OOP stands for object. Yes, object. Yes, oriented programming. Object-oriented programming. Okay, Java is OOP language, one of the OOP language. There are many OOP languages like C++, Python, C++, Python, Java, .NET, C Sharp, Scala. Like that, there are many OOP languages. Okay, yes. Okay, fine. Yes, Sabit Singh, fine, fine. Yeah. So what is Java? Simple answer, Java is an object-oriented programming language. So Java is one of the OOP languages. One of the OOP languages. Yes. How it is OOP language later we'll discuss. In actual OOPs I'll explain. So what are the OOPs features? Why OOP was developed? What is the reason for this here? So how to implement OOPs features in Java later. So today just overview. Right. Next, Java history. So what let us say about Java history. Yes, about Java history. See JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Yes, it's a Java software. It's a Java. Yes, JDK is a Java software. It's a Java software. So JDK is a Java software. It's a Java software. Okay, Java software. See, initially Java development. Initially, Java development started by James Gosling. James Gosling. James Gosling. So initially, Java development started with James Gosling. So James Gosling is an author of Java. Maybe asking question, who is author of Java? James Gosling. Yes, is an author of Java. James Gosling is an author of Java. James Gosling is an author of Java. Okay. Yes, later, taken over. Later taken over by Sun Microsystems. Sun Microsystems. Sun Microsystems, USA. Unnamed as Sun Java. Unnamed as Sun Java. So initially it was Sun Java. Okay. So initially Java development started with James Gosling. James Gosling. Yeah, James Gosling is an author of Java. Right. Later taken over by Sun Microsystems USA. are named as Sun Java, right? Next, in the year 2010, in the year 2010, this company, Sun Microsystems, this company was taken over by Oracle Corporation. Yes, it was taken over by Oracle Corporation. Okay, so taken over by Oracle Corporation. So Oracle Corporation. Yes, now it is calling as Oracle Java. Yes, now it is calling as Oracle Java. Okay, see, around the year 2010. Yes, around 2010 here. Sun Micro, yes, Oracle Corporation taken over many companies. Oracle, yes, between 2005, 2010, 2005 and 2010. So during that 5 years, period, Oracle Corporation taken over many companies to compete with Microsoft. So Microsoft was the leader that 90s period. Okay, that period, Microsoft was the leader. To compete with Microsoft, Oracle Corporation has taken over many companies in the market. Now it has become a leader in the market. Now Oracle, no doubt, Oracle Corporation is the leader in the market in software, right? Okay, fine. Yes. Okay, so initially James Gosling, later taken over by Sun Microsystems, so named as Sun Java. Now it is calling as Oracle Java. Okay, fine. Yes, first version of Java, JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0. Yes, it's a first version of Java. JDK 1.0 first version. First version of Java, yes, released in the year, yes, 1996. So this is officially released to market here. The JDK 1.0 first version of Java is released to public in the year 1996. So before that, alpha and beta versions released. Yes, before JDK 1.0, there is alpha and beta versions. Alpha and beta versions released. Yes, in the year 1995. So initially Java release is 1995. Say alpha beta versions. So alpha and beta versions, these are company internal release versions here. Alpha beta versions or internal release versions here. Yes, that internal release, not officially, not public release, internal release. That internal release versions here. Okay, so you can see not only Java here, any software product initially alpha and beta versions. Any software product. Suppose even you work in some project here, maybe some working on some e-commerce projects or healthcare projects or banking, whatever it is project here, any projects, definitely initially alpha and beta versions. Later 1.0 version. They were project. Not only Java, any software product versions like this. First version 1.0. So before that, alpha and beta versions. So these are internal release. Yes, in this alpha version, see. So what is difference here? Alpha version means it's a first tested version. Yes, it's a first tested. Yes, in company first tested version. Right? Next, beta version means, yes, beta version is a final tested. Beta version. Yes, it's a final tested. Final tested versions. So final tested version here. So before going to release to public here, final testing, beta version. Yes, 1.0 is a first release. Yes, maybe public release or maybe specific client. Yes, maybe releasing to public or specific client. That is 1.0. Okay. See, public release is different, specific client is different. Yes, I'll tell you. There are two things. Projects, product. There are two things. Project and product. What's the difference? Software projects, software product. Project product. What's the difference here? So projects, yes, anyone idea? What's the difference? Project and product difference. Suppose Windows OS is a product. WhatsApp is a product. Zoom application is a product, right? Okay, next. Java is a product. They're the products. So banking application, that is not a product, that is a project. Online shopping applications are projects. Yes, what's the difference? Anyone idea? Project, product, different. The difference. Yes, anyone already working? Yes, anyone working, guys? What's the
Yes,
difference?
sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, so project is basically for any functional requirement comes for that is called project.
Okay.
And we can build our project over a product.
No. Yeah, any others? Okay. Any others? See, difference here, project. Yes, project. Yes, it is for specific client. Yes, this is a specific client. See, client will give the requirements. As per the requirements, we'll build the project. Project is for the specific client. They will purchase. Yeah, they will get the requirements. As per their requirements, we'll develop the projects, we'll build it and give it to client. That is only for the client, particular client, not for all. Yes, when come to product, product is for the public. Product, it is for public. Yes, product, it is for public. It is for public. It is for public. Okay. Yes, who need that product, they will purchase and using, just taking license and using that product. But project, not for all, only specific client. So project is costly. This is for specific client. So banking application, suppose SBI, yeah, they need some, yes, project, right? ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, next online e-commerce applications. So all their projects here for specific client. That is not a common. Yes, when come to product, product is common for all. It's a public here. Product is for the public, means all. Okay, so public. So who wanted that product, they will purchase and using. For example, Windows is a product. Windows OS is a product, right? Just taking Windows license and using it. Linux product. WhatsApp is a product. Of course, some products are free of cost available. WhatsApp, Java is a product. Java, that is also using at free of cost. Okay, some free of cost. The products, certain products are available free of cost. Okay, so product to project difference is that. So project is for specific client. Project is for the specific client. Product is for the public, for all. Who want it, they will purchase and using. That's it here. So product is common for everyone, but project is for specific client. Okay, so let us take e-commerce application. That is not same. Client to client, that e-commerce application changes, that feature changes. Okay, that e-commerce. So depends on clients, that e-commerce options and different kind of things changes here. That is difference. Okay. Now, okay, anything, maybe project, maybe product. So initially alpha and beta versions. Finally, 1.0 version. Yes, JDK 1.0. First version of Java released to public in the year 1996. So who wanted to use JDK, they can use. It's a free of cost available. Java is a free of cost. It's a freeware. JDK is a freeware. At free of cost, you can download, you can use here. So it's a first version of Java, right? Yes. So this first version, initial version. So JDK 1.0, initial version. Yes, initial version of Java. Yes, initial version. Yes, released. Yes, released with below features. Initial version of Java released with below features. So first one, yes, Java is an independent platform, independent platform. Yes, Java is an independent platform. Okay, so Java is independent platform. And next, it's a portable. Okay, Java is a portable. Yes, next, Java is a web language. And then Yes, it's a scalable language, scalable, and then security. So these are initial features of Java. So first version, JDK 1.0, released with these features only here. Later added many features. There are different versions released in the market. So version-wise features added, many features. So plenty of features available in Java here. So many features available. Okay. So this is initial features. Yes. What is independent of platform? Portability, group language, scalability, security, these things in next sessions I'll explain. So once is Java started, yes, maybe tomorrow starting Java. Yes, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, yes, in couple of days, yes, I'll be explaining about these features. In couple of days only, I will explain about these features. Okay, fine. So next version, JDK, yes, JDK 1.1. Yeah, this is released in the year 1997. JDK 1.1 released in the year 1997. In this version, Java divided into three editions. Java divided into three editions. Totally 4 editions. But initially only three. Fourth one added later. Okay. Yes, Java divided into 3 editions. So first one, yes, JSE means Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. And next, JEE means Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. Okay, next. Third one, JME. Yes, Java Micro Edition. Java Micro or mobile also you can say Java Micro Edition. So these are initial. So in yes, JDK 1.1 in the year 1997. So this JDK 1.1 divided into 3 editions here. Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, and Java Micro Edition. So what are these editions? I'll explain clearly. Just wait. In couple of minutes, I'll explain. Okay. Yes. Next, JDK 1.2. Next version. Yes, in 1.2, some features added. Next, JDK 1.3, some more features added. See, version-wise features, I'll explain. I think it's not the right time to discuss about version-wise features. After finishing core Java, yes, I'll explain clearly. After finishing core Java, you can understand it. Yes, by the time of finishing core Java, almost all the versions will be completed. Yes. So 1.0, what are the features added? Yes, because that time we'll be learning. So by the time of finishing course, we'll be learning all the version features so that you can understand. So version and features, I'll explain clearly. Okay, so 1.3, yes, next. So 1.4, next 1.5, yes, from 1.5 onwards calling it Java 5. And Java 6, yes, Java 7, yes, next Java 8. Yes, most important version is Java 8. Yes, nowadays, yes, most of the companies using Java 8 only, sir. Java 8. See, 99% of companies using still Java 8. Okay. Yes, so many companies asking Java 8 features. Yes, our main focus on Java 8. Okay. Next, Java 9. Okay, next. Yes, up to Java 22 is there. Okay. Yeah, that Oracle Corporation simply adding some features and releasing market. Okay. So here, generally here, what happens in US, March months and September month, releasing software products is a rule. Okay. In USA, they rule March month and September month. Only these 2 months they have to release the product. Yes, software. Yes, this they have to release their versions here. Okay. So March month and September month. So during this time here, yes, simply Oracle Corporation just adding simply features and releasing, releasing. So up to 22 released. Right? Out of these 22, Yes, in market mostly used one is yes Java 8. Java 8. So Java 8, maybe some companies using Java 11 and Java 17 also using. See, in our office we are using Java 17. Okay. Yes, in our office we are using Java 17. Yes, even yes for you also. I'll explain Java 17 installation. Yes, working on Java 17. Our class is completely on Java 17. Let me show in my system. Which version of Java? My system, Java-version. Yes, I'm using Java 17. So yes, Java 17. Java 17. Even for you guys also, just explaining on Java 17. Okay, right? Yes, next here in this. So one more important point here, Java 5. Yes, it is called as Tiger version. Called as Tiger version. Is a Tiger version. In this version, Tiger version, yes, Tiger version released in the year 2004. Yes, so Java 5, yes, it is called as Tiger version, released in the year 2004. Okay, right? Yes, in this version, many features were added. So why I am focusing here? Reason many features added. Yes, previous versions like 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So like this one by one versions, right? When it comes to Java 5, many features were added. Yes, in Java 5, many features added. Yes, including fourth edition. Yes, including fourth edition. Yes, JFX. JFX added. Fourth edition added in Java 5. So JFX means JavaFX. Okay, JavaFX. Fine, JFX. Okay, right? So here with Java 5, yes, with this version, with Java 5, it got the success in the market here. With Java 5, it got the success because of its features. It got the success. Finally got the success with Java 5. So with Java 5, it got the success finally here. Yes, to become success, how much time taken? See, initial version of Java, 1996 release, right? 1996 released. Finally, 2004 with Java 5 got the success. Almost it was taken for 8 years. Yes, 96 to 2004. 96 to 2004. Almost it was taken for 8 years. Yes, reason. Yes, that time Microsoft was a popular leader in the market. Most popular Microsoft leader in the market. Yes, to compete with Microsoft, it was taken this much of time, sir. Almost 8 years of time. Okay, right? Yeah, finally, Java divided into 4 editions. Finally, Java divided into 4 editions. 4 editions, right? 4 editions. Okay, finally, Java divided into 4 editions. So these 3 editions, 4 editions. So finally, Java divided into 4 editions here. Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Micro Edition. Yes, fourth one, JFX, JavaFX, JavaFX, right? Yes, what are these editions here? What is purpose of these editions? Let me explain about all these editions here. So first of all, about Java Standard Edition. So what is Java Standard Edition? Yeah, this is actual Java technology. Okay, right? Yes, coding, Java coding, complete Java coding comes up this guide is Java coding. Yes, core Java. Yes, core Java comes under initially. So initially you are going to learn Java Standard Edition, core Java. Okay, so core Java with coding skills and all this, building your coding skills and building your logics and all this comes under standard edition here. Java Standard Edition. It's a completely Java technology here. Yes, completely coding area. Yes, core Java with coding skills, right? So this is comes from Java standardization. See, if you good at core Java, others are very simple. In entire Java full stack, core Java little bit some coding will be there. In core Java only you see all the coding. If you good at coding, advanced Java nothing, frameworks nothing. Those are very simple. Yes, only the thing is you must have the good knowledge of core Java. Okay, learning core Java little bit maybe taking some time. If you good at core Java, others are simple. Yes, next, enterprise edition. So what is enterprise edition? So enterprise edition, this is for the application development. So enterprise edition, this is using for, yes, application development, application development. Yes, application development. So enterprise edition is for the application development. Yes, enterprise edition is for the application development, like yes, advanced Java and frameworks. Advanced Java and frameworks comes in this category. What is framework? I'll explain. Okay. Yes, enterprise edition. This is for the application development. Yes, advanced Java and frameworks. Here completely application development. Here don't have any coding. Coding part you have to learn here only in core Java. First 2 months learning coding. Next moving to application development only. Yes, if you good at core Java, is very simple. Java full stack is not a tough thing. Okay, Java full stack is not a tough thing, very simple and easy to understand. But the thing is core Java. If you good at core Java, yes, I'll make you perfect in core Java, no doubt. Okay, and then I'll take to full stack. Okay, yes, good coding skills, developing coding skills, and developing logic building. I'll make you perfect in this area, 100%, no doubt. Yes. Now here application development. Applications means apps. Applications, apps. See, in our daily life, we are using many applications, right? Our day-to-day life, many applications we are using. Yes, in your mobile, there are many applications, right? In your mobile, there are many applications, right? Yes, you guys, can you tell me which is mostly used application in your mobile? Which is mostly used application in your mobile? Simple question. Which is mostly used application in your mobile? Yes, no one. Simple. Just open your mobile. You can see.
Yeah.
No, WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Yes, WhatsApp is the most used application. WhatsApp. Yes, nowadays it has become part of our life. Everyone using, even non-IT guys, even uneducated also using WhatsApp, right? Communication purpose. That WhatsApp supports different local language and all this, right? Communication purpose, everyone using WhatsApp, right? WhatsApp. It has become mandatory in our life. Minute to minute. Communication purpose. Yes, using WhatsApp. So with this, with WhatsApp, yes, our task has become very simple nowadays. WhatsApp. Okay. So WhatsApp, yes, like Facebook is an application, right? Yes. Like Twitter is an application, right? Yes, Twitter or X, now it's X. Okay. So there are applications like Zoom. Now we are attending Zoom classes, right? Zoom is also application, Zoom app. Okay. Next, online shopping applications, online trading, online trading apps, right? All the applications, online trading like Flipkart, Amazon online services. Okay, next Zomato food delivery apps. Okay, yes, next Meesho, like this. There are many online trading applications. Next banking applications. Yes, banking apps. Like there are many applications. Yeah, these kind of applications you can develop using enterprise edition. So enterprise edition, this is for application development. So enterprise edition is for the application developer. These kind of applications we can develop using enterprise edition. Yes, here learning coding in core Java. Core Java itself we are learning coding here. So once moving to enterprise edition, coding is very less. Yes, in frameworks, very less coding. What is exactly framework? I'll explain now. Just wait. Let me finish all the editions. Next, I will explain about framework also. So next one, yes, micro edition. So what is micro edition? Java micro edition. Yes, micro edition. This is for mobile application development. Mobile, yes, mobile applications. Mobile applications, mobile apps. Okay. So mobile, see your application. Yes, desktop based or mobile based, right? Yes, your application mobile porting for this purpose that mobile application developer see. So Zoom is working on the mobile as well as your laptop also, right? Zoom application for mobile also has to develop it here. Okay. So not only laptop and desktop, Zoom has to develop for the mobile also. WhatsApp for everything. Right? So mobile, that kind of mobile based. So mobile based application, right? Yes. So for this purpose, mobile applications. So micro edition, right? But actually here this micro edition not in use. Micro edition is not in use here. So for this mobile application development, Android is recommended. So Android. So using Android, we are developing mobile application. Zoom for the mobile. Using Android, we can make it mobile app. So Android, it's recommended. So Android is a core Java based. In Android, you can see completely core Java coding. Core Java coding. Yes, Android from the Google. Google, right? Android from the Google. Yes, Android is a Google platform. So it's a core Java coding completely. In Android, completely core Java. If you good at core Java, you can work on Android here. Android. For mobile applications, best recommended Android here. Yeah, this version, no one using here. Yes, you guys. So don't worry about micro edition. So this is not necessary. Not necessary to learn it here. Okay, not necessary to learn it here. Okay. Yes, fine. Next, Java effects here. Java effects. Effects. Yeah, this is for visual effects in movies, right? Visual effects. Visual effects in movies. Yes, nowadays most of filmmakers depending on visual effects. Okay, instead of physically, yes, doing this here, they are depending on visual effects here. So almost, yes, 60% of movie with visual effects are running here. 40% physically they are doing here. So visual effects, most of the filmmakers like directors depending on visual effects. For example, here Avatar 1 and 2, right? More famous. Avatar 1 and 2. Yeah, the James Cameron movies, right? James Cameron. Yes. He's a world top director, right? James Cameron. Yes, the director. Yes, mostly you will be using visual effects in his movies. Okay. So Avatar 1 and 2. Next, even Titanic. The Titanic movie also same. James, yes, the same James Cameron. Next, Avengers. Avengers. Okay. Yes, like this, different movies, right? Jurassic Park, like this. Next, Indian movies. That Indian director. Yes, Rajmouli sir, right? Yes, you'll be using, yes, visual effects like Bahubali 1 and 2. Yes, after Bahubali 1 and 2 came to the, yes, came to here. Yes, visual effects got the, yes, popular in the Indian market. Next, Triple R, right?
Sir,
So,
eager.
yeah, Triple R, these things here. Like this, there are many things like Adipurush. Okay, like this, there are many movies are there. Yes, after releasing Bahubali 1 and 2, most of the directors now using visual effects mostly. So for visual effects, Java effects, but this edition also not in use. This edition also not in use here. Yes, for this here, Adobe Premiere software. Yeah, this is best. Adobe Premiere software. Adobe Premiere software is available. Yes, nowadays here in editing, yes, editing. So editing area, yes, editing many AI-based tools are there in market. AI-based tools. In editing, AI is famous. AI got the popularity in editing here. Yes. not in software field. So mainly editing area, AI-based tools got a lot of popularity. AI-based editing. Okay. So editors, nowadays, most of the editors are using AI-based tools. So rather than this softwares and all this here. So most of the editors are using AI-based tools. Okay, that movie editors are using AI-based tools. Yes, in software, less AI tools now presently. Maybe going forward, maybe using that AI-based tools. Okay, right? Yes, 1 second. Maybe someone is asking some doubts. See, AI-based tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, sorry, like that. There are many AI-based tools, right? The tools are giving code. So while learning code, yes, some student asking this question. There are, sir, there are many AI-based tools available like ChatGPT, Perplexity, like this. There are many tools available. So why we need to learn coding and all that? That is question. Very good question. Okay, fine. See, okay, AI-based tool will generate code. Okay, that code you have to customize as per your project, right? Even for the customization code, also you must have the coding knowledge, right? Without coding knowledge, how can you customize? It's not easy. Customization. Yes, that tools giving code. That code you have to customize as per your application, right? That customization. For customization purpose, you need coding compulsory. Okay. Suppose you guys attending some interviews. Yes, no company will ask about yes, AI-based tools. Yes, maybe asking, yes, do you have the idea about AI-based tools? Maybe asking that question. But nobody will ask about, yes, can you generate code using AI tool? That kind of question nobody will ask. They will ask to write some programming. Yes, on your own, you should write the coding here. So definitely no one will ask about AI-based coding. They will ask yourself, what is your coding? What is your coding skills? So first of all, they will check your coding skills. If you good at coding skills, after joining the company, they will allow you to use AI-based tools. Yes, why using AI-based tools? Yes, in project here to make it faster. Yes, instead of writing yourself, okay, using that tools here. So the code getting here, that code customization using the project, right? So for that reason, using AI-based tool. But in interviews, nobody will ask about code generating by using AI-based. Yes, every company will ask about to write code. You have to write the code, you have to show the code here. Even they will ask on the paper, not on the computer, not on system. Everyone will ask to write the code on the paper. They will give some scenario. As per the scenario, you have to write the code. Like coding something like bubble sorting. Okay. Yes, like bind research. So different kind of techniques here. Different requirements. They'll give the different requirements. Okay. They'll ask to write the code on the paper. So you must have the coding knowledge, no doubt. Even AI-based tools available. Yes, you must have the coding knowledge. Compulsory, it's mandatory. Right? Okay, fine. So at least yes, at least 50% you performed in coding, they will take you into company. Yes, very poor in coding means nobody will take you. At least 50%. At least 50% if you're able to perform, they will take you into company. So in development, you can use AI tools that time. In development, that time you can use AI tools, no issue. So once taken into company, you can use AI-based tools. Okay. Yes, next. In coding also, yes, effective coding, right? Yes, our coding is different. Suppose if AI generated, yes, that coding may be effective coding or quality coding, right? That kind of coding can generate using AI-based tools. Okay, fine. Now, so you can micro edition and Java effects. So these two editions are not necessary to learn it here. I am sure no company will ask about these two editions here. No company will ask about these two editions. Only focusing on these two editions: core Java, advanced Java, and then frameworks. Yes, let us see what is framework exactly. Yes, here some doubt. Framework. What is framework? Yes, framework. Yes, it's a ready-made one. Yes, it's ready-made. Okay, it's ready-made one. Okay. Yes, it's semi-implemented software product. Semi-implemented implemented software product. software product. It's a semi-implemented software product. Right? Semi-implemented means, see, 80% is code already developed. 80% of codes already developed. Yes, framework has some components, ready-made components, readily available. So 80% of component already developed as components. Developed as some components, right? There are predefined components available. Okay, take that components. Yes, ready-made components are readily available. Okay, so that predefined components already defined, already developed, pre-developed. So pre-developed components available. Take that case. Components means in Java, classes, interfaces, and services, and all things called as components and here. Predefined components available. The predefined components, yes, can be plugged into projects and build it here. Okay, just plug into projects and build it here. Just build it. Build it, right? Yes, much coding is not necessary. Little bit coding only. So there are many advantages with the framework here. So 80% of coding already developed here. Okay, developed as some components. Yeah, the predefined components, pre-developed components can be plugged into projects and build it here. So only 20% of coding you have to write it here. That is framework here. See, I'll tell you some example for better understanding. What is exactly framework? For better understanding, I'll tell you some example. Suppose bridges construction. I'll tell you some best example. Bridges construction. See, nowadays, no one constructing bridges completely. So what they are doing here? So end-to-end construction, not constructing end to end. So what is happening here? In bridges construct, simply they are raising pillars, right? Just raising pillars. Okay. They are raising pillars. Even raising pillars are not manually, completely automation, right? Machines and machinery and all this. Raising pillars. And on top of pillars, what they are doing here? Assembling blocks. Simply they are bringing blocks, just assembling here. Just assembling is a best example. Yes, assembling blocks. Just on top of pillars, just assembling blocks. Just they are bringing blocks. Ready-made blocks available. Readily available. Simply they are bringing blocks, just assembling on the top of pillars. Yes, that bridge is finishing within a short time. See in Hyderabad, wherever you can see, there are many flyovers, and metro trains and all the tracks. So you can just blocks readily available, simply bringing blocks, just assembling, that's it here. So within short time finishing. See, olden days to construct bridge years together, right? But nowadays within 6 months, 1 year. So small bridges maybe 1 month finishing. Okay. Yes, very lengthy bridge means maybe 1 year taking. So you can less than 1 year they are finishing here any kind of bridges. So yes, this is something like a framework. The blocks assembling. Okay, like blocks, like ready-made blocks here. In framework, ready-made components available. Using that components, you can build the projects. I'll tell you one more example, another example. Yes. Ready-made houses, right? Ready-made houses. See, in case of ready-made houses, all are readily available. Like walls, doors, okay, next ceiling, next electrical, yes, fittings and all this, all are readily available. All these components readily available. Simply they are carrying that components, assembling. Just within 2 days, they are finishing that house, right? Ready-made houses. Okay. See, for example, I'll tell you best example. Suppose L&T. Yes, most popular construction company in the market, right? In India. Construction company, right? L&T Construction. Yeah, they will be doing some highway projects, metros, and there are a lot of things like airports, Many things, right? See, for the skilled workers, yes, they have the skilled workers, permanent workers, right? Yes, whenever getting projects, yes, these skilled workers have to move to that project location. Project location, right? Project location. Yes, for them providing accommodation. Just beside the project providing accommodation, right? For that they are using ready-made houses. Yes, they'll be using ready-made houses. Just within 4 to 5 days, within a week, they will build hundreds of houses. That L&T construction company, they will build hundreds of houses for their skilled workers. That is nothing but framework. Ready-made houses is a framework. So framework, ready-made houses is nothing but just like a framework here. So every component readily available, just only assembling. Same here also. Okay. So that is best example. Framework. So in framework, readily available, ready-made components available. Just those components just plug into project here and building projects. That's it. So what is advantage of this framework here? Let me explain about advantages. 1 second. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah. See, advantages of frameworks, advantages. So first point, we can edit the code. First point, advantage. We can edit the code. Using framework, we can edit the code. So much coding is not necessary with frameworks. See, previously, before 2010, we used to write lot of coding. Okay, 2005 year, lot of coding. So initial versions of Java, lot of coding we used to write. Complete application building on our own. But from 2005 onwards, frameworks came to market. Spring framework, Spring Boot, is that evolution in Java. There are many frameworks are there. Okay, so with that we can reduce the code. So first point we can reduce the code, right? See, if we able to reduce the code here, yes, big team is not necessary. Big team is not, even small team also can develop the big applications. See, Java teams nowadays, just to 5 to 6 members on the Java team, just to 5 to 6 members, they are building very big applications nowadays. Okay, yes. So here less team means we can reduce the cost of development, right? So next we can reduce cost of development. We can reduce cost of development. We can reduce cost of development. So not only cost of development, even we can reduce time of development also. We can reduce time of development. So we can reduce time of development. See, nowadays most of the clients are asking within less time. Some clients even they are asking within 1 week. Yes, some e-commerce applications. Yes, e-commerce. Okay, e-commerce business. They're asking application within 1 week only. So what we are doing, we have some already existing e-commerce applications. Just we are customizing and giving them simply. We are changing as per their requirement. Just we are customizing and giving them simply within 1 week only. They're asking. There's nobody is giving time nowadays because competition is like that in the market. Okay, suppose if I am not providing within 1 week, they will go to another company. Yeah, there are many companies are there. They will provide the application within 1 week only. Different companies are working on different domains. So some companies developing on e-commerce, healthcare domain. Next, yes, like banking domain, insurance domain. There are different domains. So some companies are working in particular domains, right? The domain-based companies. Okay, they can provide application within 1 week, not even 1 week, even 2 or 3 days, they will provide the application within just customization. Okay, all this happening with because of this framework only, right? Yes, next one more advantage with the framework here. Yes, quality product also you can develop it with framework. Quality product, quality. Yes, how it is quality product? Quality product can also be developed. So how? Quality products. Reason here. Suppose complete code we are writing. What happens here? See, first development, right? After development, dev instance, development. Okay. So after development, so next what? Testing. Development, then testing, right? After developing application, next testing. In testing, testers may be identifying some bugs. Okay. So fixing all the bugs, right? After fixing all the bugs, next moving to production environment. So production means live production, right? After moving to production, yes, production time. See, in development and testing, applications just using only sample data. In development, we'll prepare the sample data and testing application. In testing also sample data. So development testing always in sample data. There is not real data, just sample data. When come to production, here it's a real data. Production environment, that real data. Production data. When application is handling production data, there is chance of raising bugs again here. In production, bugs raising. Again bugs raising, right? Yes, suppose if your application developed by ourselves, we are not experienced, right? If we are developing application here, yes, the production bugs are more. Chance of getting more bugs if we are developing application. Yes, come to frameworks. See, frameworks developed by the experts, right? Yes, experts, frameworks by the experts, and even frameworks also tested. Framework already tested one. Yes, no bugs. No bugs in the framework already tested, right? The framework components are already tested components. No bugs in the components here. Framework components are tested components, right? When using tested components, bugs will be less. Yes. So here frameworks developing by the experts. Since frameworks developed by the experts here, using that components, bugs very less. Means quality product also you can develop here. So when using framework here, quality product also can be developed here. So generally, what is client expectations? See, client expectations. So most of the clients' expectations, client expectations. First of all, quality product, right? Quality products. Quality products. Okay. Yes. With less cost, right? With less cost. Yes, in a short period. So this is client expectations. Okay. So clients are expecting quality products with less cost. Yes, in a short period. This is client expectations. Yes. So using frameworks, we can meet the client requirements here. See, now presently we are using Agile methodology in project development. Agile methodology. Yes, with Agile methodology. See, with Agile methodology and frameworks. Okay, frameworks with Agile methodology. Frameworks with Agile methodology. Yes, we can achieve client requirements. Just meeting client expectations here. Okay, frameworks with Agile methodology. So what is Agile methodology? Yes, is a project development life cycle with Agile methodology. Yes, I'll explain. Yes, I'll cover Agile methodology also. So what is Yes, since 2017 we are using Agile methodology only. In our office we are using Agile methodology. 2017. Agile methodology is nothing but simply just developing application, developing, testing and releasing bits and pieces. Agile, simple. What is Agile methodology here? Developing, testing and releasing to client, in a bits and pieces. That is Agile methodology. So Agile methodology, not delivering complete application at a time here, bits and pieces. So first, suppose there are 100 requirements. The client giving 100 requirements, but never developing 100 requirements immediately. First, we'll take 10 requirements, developing 10 requirements, Okay. Next, testing. Next, releasing. To clients. Yes, as I said, 10 pieces, right? So first developing 10 requirements and releasing. So first 10 requirements, that is one piece as a module. Next, taking 10 requirements and developing, testing, releasing, like the 10 like this. So all the 100 requirements not developing and releasing at a time here. It's a bits and pieces. That is agile methodology. Bits and pieces. Okay. So here for each one calling a sprint, that is called a sprint. Sprint one. Yes, sprint one. In sprint one, maybe 10 requirements. Next sprint. So next sprint, sprint two. Yes, maybe another 10 requirements. Like this, each 10 requirements is a sprint. Sprint one, sprint two, sprint three as a sprints. Okay. Yeah, that's sprint is schedule and all that will fix it. Yes, I'll explain this also. Don't worry. Yes, I have a lot of experience. Since 20 years, 2017. Yes, almost 8 years of experience in agile methodology. Okay, like sprint backlog. Yes, I'll explain all of these things. Sprint. What is sprint backlog? Okay, sprint backlog, like product backlog. There are different terminology. Product backlog, product backlogs. Okay, product backlogs, sprint backlogs. This is Scrum Master. Scrum Master. There are different technology in this. Different terminologies. Scrum Master. Scrum Master. Okay. Next, Epic. Next, stories. Epics and stories. Okay. Like this, epics and stories. Like there are different type of kind of things. Okay. Yes, even this also. Yes, getting some ticketing and all that here. Okay, all that. Yes, life cycle I explain. Yes, yes, core Java itself I'll explain one day. Suppose anyone learning only core Java, for them also I'll explain. So one day I'll take agile methodology. Even that agile methodology document also I have prepared. Agile methodology document, project development. Yeah, agile methodology document. So this agile methodology document. Okay, one day I'll explain. Okay, agile methodology, I'll share this document. So this is agile methodology document. This document I have prepared. For complete my experience. Yes, one day I'll explain, I'll share this document. Right? Yeah, this is about complete Java overview. Yeah, that's all for today. Yes, any doubts, guys? Day two. Let me save this one. Go full stack with day two. Yes, so with this introduction, course introduction completed, Java overview completed. So this is complete Java overview. It's not an actual Java subject, Java overview. Tomorrow starting from the basics. So tomorrow, yes, I'm starting subject. So yesterday, today, all these introductions completed, your course introduction completed, Java introduction completed. Okay. From tomorrow, yes, base software basics. Introduction to software. Yes, system software, application softwares. Next, what is OS? How OS is working? Like front and back end softwares. Next, about low level language, high level languages. Next generation of computers. And then, yes, see that low level, high level language about this. Next, interpreters and compilers, these basics. So before going to Java, these basics are required. Okay. So first of all, yes, I'll explain all the basics. After explaining basics, then moving to Java. Yes. Any doubts here? So before going to, yes, see, directly never starting Java. Before going to Java, there are some software basics required. Okay, after finishing all the software basics, then I will be moving to Java. Yes, any doubts? Yes. Any doubts? No doubts, right? Yeah, just a minute. If no doubts.
Sir,